Hello, this is Mr. Clark from Florida, and I just want to give you a little uh, look into what my Edmodo looks like. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram or Twitter at Tiger7386. And this is my Edmodo account that I've been using for a number of years now, probably since like 2013. And it really does help out a lot for keeping my classes organized. As you can tell, like on the left hand side over here, we got periods 1 through 6, and I still have some of my past groups on the left hand side too. STEM camp, we had that. Our robotics club, I still use that. But as you can tell, this news feed right here is really cool. That everything is right here in one place for my class periods. I can send one message out to all my classes at the same time, or if it's just more towards this one specific class period, then I can just do one class period at a time. So just keeping everything organized. As you can tell, we've got some additional documents that the students can look at, pictures, videos, whatever we're needing to do. They can have one place where they know that they can go to and they can jump off from there. And my name is Mr. Clark. You got any questions, hit me up on Twitter or Instagram, and have a good one.